What is going on, YouTube? So we have here a box that I know I've been waiting for a while. I ordered it like 4 weeks ago-ish, and it is a part that you guys have probably wanted me to put on my car for a long time. We tried to. We have another version of it in the garage, but it was already broken, so now we've got a refreshed one, and we're going to throw this in the car after some light modifications and putting some other parts into it, and we will be able to make a little bit more power out of the Jetta. So let's get into it and see what we've got here. Here we have a freshly refurbished cylinder head from a Jetta 2.0. Everything on the bottom looks like it's really good. They had to go in. You can see where it was cracked in between the valve seats. Went in, repaired this stuff, recut it. Everything looks to be good. Fresh valves, fresh everything. All of these things are going to be taken out. And then also the camshaft as well. We have our 276 turbo cam that is going to go in here, and I am going to be doing a light port, just kind of gasket match on all of the inlets, outlets of the exhaust and all of that stuff. But yeah, we have a fresh head and we are ready to make some more power in the Jetta. So I want to give you guys a little side-by-side comparison of the head that I ported previously and this head that we have here now. So these are the exhaust ports after I went through and opened them up a whole bunch, and everything was really even. I went through with the micrometer, whatever you want to call it, made sure everything was very even throughout the ports. Everything looked good. So that is a gasket matched head. This is the stock head. So as you guys can see, the ports can get huge. So I'm probably going to go less aggressive than I did with this head, but definitely open these things up just a little bit and we should be good. And same with the intake side. We're just going to do a light gasket match on that and the manifold, and just kind of get everything to flow a little bit better and less restriction and all of that stuff. So that is the plan for this head. Quick little update video for you guys, and we should be working on this throughout the week. I have most of the parts here. The only thing that I'm waiting on is a head gasket that I ordered from Euro Tuning and a timing belt tool, and it's been like 2 months now, so I think it's lost in the mail. I'll have to contact them and figure this out, but we can probably order another timing belt from somewhere else and get it here by this weekend, and we might even be able to put this in. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.